Alright guys, so we are outside and we're proving our islandness, Jamaicanness. Unique wants us to prove, or she says there are some things that you're supposed to be able to do if you're an islander. So the table is full of some of those things. Needless to say, neither myself nor Never will be doing any of these things, so I guess we are from foreign. Well, let me just come around here. The first thing is to cut a jelly coconut. Let me just move. Are you sure?
I'm not sure at all. But
That's
if I
why we
slap
brought
this,
soft
I'm not
man.
going to mash up this.
So, no,
So
the
I hold
aim
it
is,
in my hand and go so.
okay.
All right, come.
So first, yes, maybe that's the best way.
Soft man, how me look? Yeah, man, and
So
not now
first,
go
come
on.
around here and give him the tutorial. Right. Yes, you finish it, soft man. Because, yeah. Oh gosh, man.
See, move from there.
So
because
you
the water,
do
no water
this-
is going to spill.
You do this for a living, sir? All right.
See, I tell no, you show me the water. This is
So
not
soft man, you don't know now. All you have to do is just dig into the middle now and make the little hole for the water.
Stop.
So go on now,
Just
just
dig the
dig
little
out
hole
the little
like
hole now. And then you're all right.
Yeah, right.
Done and done.
We're done. We
All right,
put that-
soft man, you're a Highlander for sure. All right, peel the cane there with your hand,
With your hand.
with your bare hands. Actually, that's not how you do it. You have to bite it.
No, I don't.
You don't have any. No, you don't have any teeth. The man said, no, I don't have any teeth. All right,
And
soft
then,
man.
wait, no man.
The real countryman them bite it
No,
at
so.
the top and then pull it all the
No,
way
so you
down.
do it.
I don't like how Neville is holding that cutlass at all, you know.
You don't play it, my man. No, so. But it don't look so wonderful, sir.
Can we not try this at home, everybody? Just the disclaimer is important. Right.
So, man, I need to tell you something. You're not doing much better than me. All you do is mess up the place.
He's doing a good job. Right.
You see the man talk about all I can. By the time you reach,
This
what's
is a
that?
very skinny.
What's that?
Suppose you did dig out it properly. Proper.
But
you
this
did a
was
good job.
supposed to show that you can eat it too.
Okay.
What's the next one?
I can't come back now because the last gone. Well, eat mango down to the seed, which is something I will not display.
Well, I don't eat mango,
Well,
so.
it's easy.
I don't
Suppose
eat
you
mango.
wanted that one there? Okay. I didn't think so.
I don't eat mango.
And then peg and
Stop, man.
orange.
The water is going to throw it. So drink that, please.
Can peg orange? You can peg orange?
But yeah, we can start it first.
Yeah. Oh. All right. So you peel off the skin. If you say you don't have a
When you
knife,
get soft, man, drink up the whole like coconut water.
then what you think him pull it, him open it for? Pegging the orange. Peel off a skin out. I'm gonna smell like orange everywhere I
But
go
you're
today.
skillful.
Whoa.
What's wrong?
Wale, you okay?
So you don't eat the mango?
No.
You don't eat mango?
I do, but I never eat the mango on TV. I'm gonna run down my hand and mess up me.
Stop, man, come here. You want Richard? Cut the jelly in two, please.
Okay, so when you finish, Safa's watch over shit the inner Bridget. If you let me.
I need a spoon out of it too. Although no jelly, nothing there.
Orange is pegged. Not sexily, but it's done. Come. I'm doing nothing
Where's the
there.
spoon there?
Mm-mm.
We're not supposed to cut off the spoon. Where's the
There's
spoon?
nothing in there.
By the way, we done work now, though.
Mm.
We don't have no more work to do. It's not even 8 o'clock yet.
We
So
can
we
break
don't
now
done work.
because After all this toil, we have to eat. Food is the stuff
I
of
don't know.
life.
It is no disgrace if you can't do it. Especially if you're a youngster, don't take up a machine and you don't know how to use it. Better
Don't
ask
try this
somebody
at
to do
home,
it.
kids.
Then no disgrace if you can't do it. So young. So don't you? So we are eat some. Because we have to brush with teeth and all kind of thing before we come back. So. It's good for brushing teeth. It's a thing.
Let's get the break and come back.
Oh, it's not very good for.
We can come back.
We soon come. Well, I don't know about soon, but.
Need some water. Is there a pipe out here?